got Junie, Saha Performance and Repair.
No, it's me, your boy. Back at it again.
With the toaster.
Fastest toaster in all central Nebraska. Ain't nobody got
Midwest. Not
I
central
don't know about the
Nebraska. Oh shit.
I mean, the Trackhawk's considered a toaster too, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, now I'm second fastest.
All motor.
Alright, NA.
Alright, just went to get my whip decal right now to bring it in.
Yeah, that's the shop car.
The shop car. Yes, sir. Hey, did you wash it good for me, bro?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll pay you here in a bit. YouTube, welcome back to another video. Show you what we got going on here today at the shop. So, work in progress. Finally got established. Saha Performance and Repair. That's gonna be my sponsor right there. So if you guys need any work, hit him up, hit my boy up. He'll get you guys right. You can see he's working on this Dodge Charger right here. Got down with them headers right there. Also working on this like a 2010 Silverado 5.3. Did a tune up on this one. Not sure what he's doing on that one. And then we just pulled that 6.0 from that 3/4 ton that I showed you guys earlier. So this thing's gonna go into that Cherry SS clone. We'll do a high compression motor. Do it for the burnouts and streets. But besides that fact, I'll show you guys what we got going on over here. We've got the GMC Sierra on some, well, I wish I had it on some lifts, but we got the GMC Sierra on a jack stand right now. Got the homie Big Sack right there getting down on them welds. So we're gonna go ahead and re-weld my exhaust, because to be quite honest, I'm not gonna say no names, but the previous guy that welded my exhaust kind of did a shitty job. Some shitty eye welds. You can see right there. Then you can see some gaps. I don't know if you can see that right there. So it has a pretty nasty exhaust leak, and I also got to tighten up the bolts on the manifolds because I can kind of hear it leaking from there. So today we're going to get that exhaust cut off, get it re-welded. Shout out to my homeboy right here. About to get down. And we are also going to get down on this posi unit right here. This original Eaton posi. And I did go with the 373 gears. So once the homie Junie gets here, Saha Performance, we'll take down this charger, put the GMC on the lift, and show you guys the progress. What's up, guys? We're loading up on the lift. We'll get back to you.
I can't even hear no more, bro.
Alright, truck is on the lift. What's that? Am I really leaking oil? God damn it. Oh yeah.
He's on video too.
Bro. You know, it was leaking before. I think it's from the rear main seal.
You never changed it?
No, I need to change the rear main seal. Or it could be from this shit, the ICT, like fucking adapter for the oil. Because before I had E85, it would come out from here. It's so thin. Yeah, I thin out the oil a lot. It's not as bad as Diego's, that's all I know.
One day it'll sound like that. Like this one is
What's
like
up,
there's
guys?
something wrong with it. It's like something wrong with the motor. It's whistling too much.
Don't worry, bro. Mine's acting up too.
Diego will be ready in 3 years.
It's a bitch. You see this? You see where I'm at? A fat nigga like me in here? Crazy. Crazy.
So we got the GMC on the lift getting ready to do the posi unit. My boy Sat got down with them welds. So we straight piped it for now just cause he ran out of gas on his welder. So shout out to the big dog Sack. Big Sack. You don't want to know why they call him Big Sack. But yeah, we're about to get down with this rear end. Like I showed you guys earlier, we're gonna go with the Eaton posi unit and the 373 gears. So I'm gonna let my homeboy over there, Arturo, with Sack Performance, explain the process. So yeah, let's get down.
What's up, guys? So we're gonna be tearing apart this truck right now. We're gonna do the rear end. We're gonna put a posi unit in it. 373 gears. I think my boy got a Eaton posi. So what I'm running in the Tahoe too. I really like it. I recommend it. But yeah, pretty much we're gonna pull the wheels off, drain the pumpkin, pull the axles out, tear it apart. You know, start getting everything ready. We'll have all that done today, and then tomorrow we'll put it all back together. So that's it. We're gonna take the wheel off. Just kidding. Nice and smooth, like when somebody's. Michael Nava, I'm talking to you.
So we got the unit out, guys, and we got the pinion out. So is it gonna be done today, you think?
Today?
Yeah. Isn't that what you said?
Oh fuck, bro! I'm gonna be gone for like a month. What
The fuck, bro?
I gotta go, bro.
Yo, can't just dip on me. I paid you $200.
I gotta go, bro.
What are you doing? This guy.
What the fuck? This is my shop, bro. Y'all gotta go.
The following day.
All right, guys, we are back at the shop. Had to give the shop car a quick wash. It's for sale. You guys want to buy it? 40K cash. Hit me up. But we are here with the one and only Junie. We got the rear end torn apart yesterday. Right now he's putting the, what are you putting on?
Bearing races.
Bearing races. So it's a bit of a process, but it all takes time for sure. We got the homie over here heating up the pinion. That way it expands a bit and all the bearings fit properly. And then we do got the unit right here, the Eaton posi unit with all the bearings already pressed. Got a 12-ton press. So if you guys need any posi units, differential work, my boy Junie does that as well. Hit him up. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's get this going. Taking the toaster today. Get some parts at Harbor Freight. Oh shit, dude, behind you. Alright, so we pulled up to Harbor Freight real quick to get what tool is it?
I don't know what it's called, but it measures stuff.
This measures clearances.
Tape measure either.
So get that right quick.
So we're here at Harbor Freight. You know, I come here at least 10 times a day on a business day. They know me by first name basis now. So we're gonna get one of these tools here, but I don't know which one to get. So it's called a dial caliper. A
This
digital
one's
caliper.
a 6-inch.
Some shit like that. It works though. Whatever it does.
Alright, where we at?
And the air stuff.
The pneumatic.
They have that shit here.
Chisel set. Oh, shh.
A pistol grip
Oh,
blow
sh-
gun.
$6, $7, not bad.
It's a little quiet.
He's talking to himself again, guys. I don't know what to do.
Let me know. Where the baddies at? I'm trying to pick y'all up. That shit's slow.
You don't even got seats to pick up any baddies.
Yeah, it's down. They ain't gotta sit down, they gonna lay down.
They can sit down right here. Oh shit. that, we are back at the shop. So unfortunately, due to some shimming issues, we had to buy some new shims, so we could not get the rear end done. I just want to show you guys the turbo real quick. But as I was saying, so unfortunately we couldn't finish the rear end. We're waiting on some parts as we were in the process of shimming the rear end. One of them snapped. It happens, not tripping. So we ordered some new ones, but just wanted to close out this video so I can get you guys some more content. So stay tuned for part 2. And yeah, subscribe, like, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. Peace.